It's the most wonderful time of the year. Hello everyone, welcome back to the Makisode YouTube channel. How are you? It's getting really cold out here. I'm thinking it's the same where you are, but the weather is nice. It's beautiful. It's rhyming with the season. So do well to enjoy the season. Enjoy your day as you see it. All right, so today we're bringing you one of our specials. It's a Christmas special, and the only reason why we call it a Christmas special is because the garment is in white and red, and it's a mesh dress, and it's a very simple top. Yeah, this is a top, but can be worked longer into a dress. It's really, really simple to work. All you need is double crochet stitches and chain stitches. This we worked in two colors. You can work it in one color, you can work it in as many colors as you want. You can work the colors in ombre fashion, you can work it in this nice diagonal tapestry like fashion. It's all left to you, but trust me, at the end of the day, you're going to love the outcome of your work. So before I dive in, are you new to our channel? You should totally go subscribe. We bring you brand new videos every week. Could be a video inspiring you, because we'll be showing you a few of our own items. Yeah, we'll show you those. We let you know that everything is possible, with crochet, right? And then we also bring you or we may bring you how we made this series. So how we made this series is where we pick up one of our items and then walk you through how we worked it. So we give you details on measurements, we give you details on stitches, we give you details on the technical part of it, and so you can replicate wherever you are with whatever materials you have available to you. So crochet is really interesting. There is no how would I put it now? You're not limited. Whatever it is you have, you can work with. All right. So yeah, I was saying we have our galleries on Instagram. We have our wedding apparel. We have that on at Makisode Weddings, and then we have our corporate and casual apparel and other accessories. We have that on Makisode Models. Do well to follow, like, subscribe here on YouTube, and also leave us a nice comment. Remember to share our videos. Okay, so let's dive in. So for this garment, yeah, we ensure to work in even multiples of 4. Yeah, even multiples of 4. Yeah, for this mesh or any mesh, I think you'll have to work in even multiples of whatever the number is. The reason is because you want to have the same number of stitches up front as you have at the back, so that it will be easy at the point when you want to separate your armhole part. Yeah, and you want to work those two different panels, they have to be about the same, so that you have even number of stitches at the back as well as the same number of stitches up front. Okay, so how did we do this? Even multiples of 4 is how we started this one. So essentially, you for the very first row, what you have to do is double crochet, chain 3, skip 3, double crochet, chain 3, skip 3, double crochet, chain 3, skip 3. It will give you this look. Yeah, so double crochet, chain 3 here, you skip the 3 down here, double crochet, this chain 3, you would have skipped 3 down here, double crochet, like that. We go along, right? At the end of it, you're going to be slip stitching into, remember that the very first one we did was 6 stitches, where 3 stitches represent the double crochet stitch, and then these other 3 stitches represent the chain stitches. So when you walk back around, you're going to be slip stitching into chain 3. There's the chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you're going to be slip stitching into chain 3 to complete that row, right? And then you're going to be slip stitching into, okay, so for example, here we are, you want to start a new row, so you're going to be slip stitching into the next, into that square right there. So this is where you have slip stitch to end the row, you have to slip stitch into this so that you can walk up 6 stitches, 3, 3, and then continue to walk around and around and around like that if you're using the same. So I'm going to walk us through a quick one, because this one was different. So let me just do a little demonstration. Okay, so I have here this blue yarn, so I'm going to quickly walk up 16, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Let me get up to 32. 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. This should work. I think it's wide enough so that you can see what we're doing. So 40 stitches, and then we slip stitch into the first chain, right? So that's done. So I'm going to walk up 1, 2, 3 stitches. These 3 stitches represent a double crochet stitch. I'm going to need another 3 stitches, so 1, 2, 3. Yeah, so altogether 6 stitches. What I'm going to be doing now is I'm going to be skipping 3 stitches. So I skip the first 3, 1, 2, 3, and then put in a double crochet stitch in the fourth. 1, 2, 3. So one double crochet stitch, 3 chain stitches. All right, so 1, 2, 3. Put this right there. 1, 2, 3. Goes in there. Have to be careful. It's a bit tricky. 1, 2, 3. This first row usually is you. Yep. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. One, 2, 3. So you skip 3 stitches, put your double crochet stitch in the fourth stitch, then chain 3 like that. That's the method to this one, right? So we're coming up on the end. So 1, 2, 3. Chain 3. 1, 2, 3. Chain 3. Yep, that's the end. You have the last 3 stitches right there. So what you have to do now is find the third stitch and slip stitch into it. So 1, 2, 3, slip stitch right there. As the first row is done, right? First row is done. Even number of stitches. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Of total of 10 boxes. All right. So for this next row, what you have to do is you have to slip stitch into the middle, right? And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Do that. Double crochet stitch into next chain space, chain 3. Double crochet stitch into next chain space, chain 3. Double crochet stitch into next chain space, chain 3. Double crochet stitch into next chain space. So you do this all through if you do not have plans to change colors, because this particular style you can work an ombre into it. You can work as many different colors, creating beautiful diagonal mosaic type, tapestry type design onto it, right? Just by infusing other colors or more colors than the one you're working with. So it's really simple. Double crochet stitch, chain 3. That's the style of this one. You can choose your own. You can decide to make yours a half double crochet stitch. You know, you can choose to also use the single crochet stitch. All of it comes out really nicely, you know. So yeah, come up on the end. As usual, we slip stitch into the third chain right there. That's 2 rows we've worked. See that? So you keep doing this. So you slip stitch into this next chain space, right? 2 slip stitches should get you to the center, and then you chain your 6 and continue working. Color. Now, if you're going to be using different colors, you have to make up your mind whether you'll be cutting at every point you join, or you just walk through and then infuse the colors as you go along. Whatever it is that you know makes sense for you, makes the work easy for you, that's what you should totally go with. See, crochet is supposed to be fun. It's supposed to be fun, yeah. No matter how seemingly difficult techniques are, it's supposed to be fun. So find that comfort part, that the comfort part of, you know, of the work, of the technique that makes it fun for you, and stick with that. So we did a lot of cutting and joining. Yeah, we did a lot of cutting and joining because we wanted it to be even. We didn't want a situation whereby some parts of the colors, or it's not, you know, rhyming up and all. So we did a lot of cutting for this one, but you can choose not to cut, and you can also choose to work the panels, the diagonal panels, separately. Because if you look at this, what you have here, right, is say I'd call it a trapezium of sorts. So you can work 2 trapeziums and join them, and then work up these panels here. If you don't understand what I'm talking about, ask me in the comment section and I'll tell you. All right, so yeah, when you get to the armhole point, yeah, you have to now divide the panels so that you can work your front panel and work your back panel. It's really easy. You can make this in, like I said, any choice of colors you want. You can make it in any length. You can even give it sleeves. So you're done with this part, and then you now give it sleeves if you want to. You join it up here, join it up there, and your mesh top is ready, or your mesh dress is ready. All right, there's several ways to work this, but this is one of the simplest forms. Do let me know if you have questions in the comment section, and then we will get right back to you. Do you want a special one-on-one? Do you want to be tutored specially? Also, do let us know. We have courses for that. We're registering already for the 2024 session. Do well to join us. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to remember to subscribe. Bye for now.